All right, what is going on, guys? Spiteful is back again, coming at you with a stupid video, and yeah, we're doing stupid today, ladies and gentlemen, because we got lucky on BBS, which means that I can use this elsewhere. And guess who's getting my money today, boys? Now I'm gonna probably regret this later on in the future, but until then, YOLO. I don't give a rat's ass. So let's get into it. Boom, boom. Pick up our stuff, and yeah, I don't know, YOLO. It's like a 50% rebate now. So I'm like, screw it. You know what? Let's just whale in the meantime. And hope for the best, I guess. That's gold. That's cute. I don't know what gold means. Okay, so that is a 4-star artifact. Okay, that's cute. I actually have no idea what the rates are in this game besides being bad. I don't know. I don't know what else to say besides I know that the rates are bad. I don't like that I can't skip it after I see that I got cucked. Like, oh, there. Ooh, what is that? Second one? Who is this? Yo, this girl thick. Fallen Cecilia. I don't know if she good, but I'll take it, dude. She thick. She look like a snack. Yo, dude, she look like some melted white chocolate, girl. Like, that's pretty good. I like that.
Order. I am an officer of the Rengar Public Security Club. Azalea Pormia.
I like how she has like the biggest smile on her face, but like the voice acting, she didn't even look like she tried, bro. She didn't even look at all excited. But we pulled a 5-star, and like I know that the rates are horrible, so that's pretty good. Oh, who's this? Oh, I have him. Oh, that's a dupe of him. That's cool. I hear that he's good, so getting a dupe of him might not be the worst thing in the world. All right, another beta. Aqua Rose. Oh! Oh, damn. I was hoping for one of the little girls to, like, come through and be like, yeah, yo, what up? Wondrous Potion Vial. That looks cool. I like the art in this game. I'm not gonna lie, their art is sick. Bada bing, bada boom! What is this? Show me the money! Grail of Blood. Yeah, that sounds lovely. I like to give that to my... I think my girlfriend would be a little upset if I gave her a fucking, like, cup of blood. Be like, hey, sweetie, you wanna come drink this? Oh, another 4-star? That's pretty good. Oh, he looks sick.
Will I finally meet someone who can take me on?
Nah, I'm good, bro. And my brother's gay though. Like you could take him. Yo, I like how. Oh, there we go. There's another one. No. It's letting me skip now. That's cool. Insufficient metals. Oof. Wait, hold on, hold on. I can buy these. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a noob at this game, and I literally forgot where to buy. Yeah, I forgot where to buy these things. I know that you can get like a rate down or whatever, like a better rate. Where do I buy this? Is it the shop? In the shop?
Welcome.
Oh, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. 950. Let's do two of these because we're scrubs, and I can regret that later. All right. Let's make sure that it doesn't go to the mail. Okay. Yeah, who are you? You kind of thick yourself, girl. All right, where we going? Covenant summon.
We have a visitor.
Now we got 20 more singles, and then we're pretty much done. We pulled 1 5-star, so it's not the end of the world. It's not bad. I want at least one more 4-star, and then we're gonna call it good. After that, I'm probably just gonna save on to the Covenant stuff, and then hope for the best. If we run out before then oops. Oh, word! Oh, we out. Who's this?
I have descended in answer to your call.
I don't know. I don't know if he's good. He looks cool. I hear that he's gonna get destroyed by someone that's coming out named Belladonna or something. I don't know, but it's whatever. But we're gonna leave it at that. I think 2 5-stars is more than enough. And let's do the friendship summons. Let's show me the friendship. What is this? I don't know what this is. Is this like what I pulled or something? I don't know. Okay, I give up. I literally don't know what that is. I'm supposed to like pick up my friendship stuff, but I don't even know where my friend stuff is. Where's my friends? Oh, there's my friends. I just add everybody because I'm such a nice guy. But I'm gonna leave it at that. Y'all know this guy's grind. Don't catch you up. Pay me up. Stay blessed. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I literally don't. I'm just stupid. It is what it is, bro. But I'm gonna leave it at that. Y'all know this guy's grind. Don't catch you up. Pay me up. Stay blessed. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. I know quite a few of you play this game. I'm a retard, so like, just like, help me. All right, help me.